CLEO is a unique forum for bringing both photonics researchers and also biomedical application to the same spot. So we will have different technology topics range from fundamental science to innovation and clinical application. This year we have very special session on the plenary on microscopy session. So we will actually have 4 Nobel laureates who will speak on this topic. Professor Moller is from Stanford University. He won the Nobel Prize in chemistry last year. So his main contribution is in super resolution microscopy. Then we will also have 2 other Nobel laureates, Dr. Eric Bezic and Dr. Stephen Hell. So they are also the Nobel laureate from the chemistry last year. So they are also going to talk about super resolution microscopy.
Stefan Hell, he received the Nobel Prize for chemistry actually last year. And so he did many things, but the Nobel Prize, I guess, is mostly because he invented a new microscopy technique. The technique is actually called STED microscopy, S-T-E-D, stands for Stimulated Emission Depletion Microscopy. He is going to talk about what is the latest status in the accomplishments that have been achieved with this technique.
We are privileged that we have Eric Bezic here at CLEO. He'll present his plenary talk mostly about the work that was awarded the Nobel Prize for it. It's based on new type of microscopy which is beating all the limits on diffraction optics, based on many innovations that he brought into the field, with possibility of looking on molecular level of details on how biological systems are behaving. That's where all the dynamics are. So we have this year a special symposium on brain imaging with just top stars in this field that we were able to secure. So Eric Bezic is there. He will present completely different talk on his new areas that he developed for the last maybe 3-4 years, when he is now working on new technologies for biological microscopy, specifically for brain imaging in Harvard Hughes Medical Institute Geneva Farm. David Clanfield, he's very well known in neuroscience community for methods of looking into the brain and activity of neural activity there. Philip Keller from Geneva Farm will be presenting his research in observation of the big population of neural cells, the whole brain activity measured with special techniques based on optical microscopy. And several other people also top-notch that will be on this symposium.
This year we have symposium which actually focus on intersecting photonics and biomedical science. For example, we have symposium on photonics for surgery, and we also have so-called topical reviews, which actually also is invited talks from experts in the particular area, for example, on molecular imaging and other hot topics.